guys, and welcome to the next installment of How to iDefine. Today we're going to be talking about the setup of iDefine, getting you started, getting you ready and getting everything up and running, ready for you to start doing your engineering madness. So right off the bat, I'm just going to say that I'm not going to show you how to install iDefine because iDefine comes with a full installation guide from Trinity, so I suggest you read through that carefully and get it done that way. So once you've installed iDefine, you need to double click on the icon that turns up on your desktop, and a window will open up which has a number of options. Now we're going to start at the top. At the top it talks about the server. So during the installation it will tell you how to set up the server, .NET and all that things, MSQL, and that is the link to that server. You've then got these four buttons in the middle. You've got New, Import, Checkout and Export. Now we're going to click on New because we want to create a new project, and we're presented with a number of fields to fill out, but the main ones we want to focus on are name at the top, where you enter the file name for the project. So in this case I'm just going to call it temp. You then have the directory where you choose the location to store your project, and a description where you can add a description for your project. We don't care too much about the stuff in the middle for now. You can change the version number, so it will come out in the file name when you save the project, and it will keep a record of the version. But the main bit that we're interested in is the bit at the bottom, and this is where you enter your username and password, and you can set an expiry date for when the project will cease to work. I'm just going to quickly fill in admin and click OK. Now the project is just being created, and that's what this is showing. And when it's been created, it will appear in this instance on my desktop. You can see a file in the top left hand corner, and then you'll be presented with the same window, but you just log in using the credentials you applied for and click login, and you will enter the project. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions about anything I've talked about, please let me know, and please like, subscribe and share these videos if you feel they're helpful in any way. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.